Hello students, welcome to my channel C. Today we will learn how to work with Spyder. Before that, check whether you have already installed Spyder in your PC. And if it is not present, then check the link given in the description for downloading Spyder. Let us first open Spyder. For that, click on Windows icon. Then check for the Spyder in the menu. This will open Spyder for you. This is your Spyder screen. It consists of three sections.
Before moving ahead, do like and share the video and subscribe my channel.
The code editor is present on the left hand side of the screen. IPython console is present on the bottom right side. Variable Explorer window is present above it. Let us discuss about code editor window. Code editor is an area where we can create a file. We can write, edit, run and save our code. To run your code, we have to click on the run button which is present here, or you have to press F5 key. Write in comment what is a variable. If you don't know, check the link given in the description. Go and watch the video. Variables can be viewed and modified in the variable window explorer. You can also specify name, type, size and the value of the variable previously used in your program. Click on variable explorer. Here you can see there are different variables A, B and C of type integer, float and string. I can change the value of variable A by double clicking on it. For example, instead of 2, I want 3. So I can double click and rewrite the value. We can also see plot plane on the screen, which is used to show graph plotted by matplotlib package. So we are going to click on plot. It will display the line graph because the code is written here by using the matplotlib function. So here the matplot package is available. Because of that, we can plot the graph. Spyder also has the file section to explore different files available in your PC. So if you are going to click on the files, you can see what are the different files that is present in my PC. It also helps help section to provide description of different topics. So if you are going to click on the help section, here we can see the different help which is provided. Now we are ready to write our first program. I hope you understand the section of the Spyder screen. Thanks for watching.